Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you shrimp butterfly. Look at these shrimp, don't these look nice and big? They've been peeled, deveined and washed. So the first thing that we'll be doing is making the flour batter and an egg wash. We're going to soak the shrimp into the egg wash, make sure it's fully coated, and then into the flour batter. We're going to add enough oil to soak all the shrimp, and we'll be frying them for about 2 to 3 minutes till they turn brown on all sides. Wow, this is looking yummy. For the pasta, here we have a few cherry tomatoes, red peppers, garlic, carrots, and a few onions. I've added a little bit of oil and I'm going to fry all the veggies for about 2 to 3 minutes. Wow, this is looking good. I've added linguini sauce to give that nice juicy flavor. Mix it well and garnish it with Parmesan cheese. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you love the video.